Hello and welcome to the Scrum 101 training program. Whether you are a future Scrum Master, an Agile enthusiast, or an existing Agile project manager, you are about to embark on a journey that's not just about learning, but it is also about diving headfirst into a dynamic world where innovation thrives and projects come to life. Now, why are we here? Well, after the resounding success of our Project Management 101 program, PM 101, the requests poured in for a deep dive into Scrum. In today's fast paced IT landscape, Scrum is not just a buzzword, it's the beating heart of project delivery. And guess what? We've heard your call loud and clear. So, in this comprehensive training program, we are not holding anything back. From demystifying agile to unraveling the intricacies of sprints, user stories, planning poker, and everything in between, consider this your one stop shop for mastering Scrum. With 17 chapters packed with knowledge and excitement, we are starting from the ground up. So get comfortable, grab your favorite snacks, and maybe a refreshing drink because we are about to embark on a journey that will transform the way you see project management. All right, enough preamble. Let's dive into the world of Scrum. And I know the video is ending, so where do we go for Scrum 101 training? Well, this is actually the opening chapter of our Scrum 101 training over at Skillshare and Udemy. So if you want to take the entire course, check out the link in the description and I'll catch you there.